What are cocktail dresses? They are shorter, semi-formal dresses that typically range from mini skirt to just below the knee. Traditionally, cocktail dresses embraced a sort of understated elegance, but today's version can range from fun and flirty to sophisticated and elegant to unapologetic sensuality. In today's video, we'll take a brief look into the origins of some of the key design aspects of the cocktail dress. With the hard times of World War II behind them, the growing middle class of the 1950s started to respond to the dawn of a new age and live their lives in different ways. Cocktail parties, often held at home, were part of the changing world. The appropriately named cocktail dress, along with a veiled cocktail hat and gloves, were the requisite attire for such gatherings. The formal mid-calf length dresses of luxurious materials, as velvets, brocades, were meant to be worn between the hours of 6 and 8 in the evening. French designer Christian Dior first coined the term cocktail dress, and his new look silhouette defined its romantic style with a tight bodice and full skirt, emphasizing the waist. But cocktail dresses were not restricted to the bouffant skirt. Many designers experimented with the narrower sheath style. 1950 Summer Dress. French designer Pierre Balmain created this dress for the jeune fille, young women. Its light color, simple silhouette, and Swiss embroidery imply the innocence of youth. A layered slip with a heavily boned bodice creates the ideal shape. 1951 Straplet Silk. Jean Desses, a Greek designer born in Egypt, drew inspiration from his travels. He designed his delicate silk organza dress for Princess Margaret in 1951. A wave-like bodice and a sea blue color suggest Desses was inspired by the ocean. 1953 Influential Fath. French fashion designer Jacques Fath designed the stunning silk and wool cocktail dress in 1953. A well-known name in Paris couture industry, his designs appealed to the international younger woman. 1955 Little Black Dress. For this 1955 dress, Madame Grès, a French couture house headed by Germaine-Émile Krebs, also known as Alix Barton, was inspired by the veiled cocktail hat. Spotted net is draped into an elegant side bustle. Dior's A-line. Dior was inspired by intersecting diagonals for this 1955 spring-summer collection. He aptly named it A-line. This short evening dress from that collection includes a crossover draped bustier with a gathered skirt creating a bow knot. 1957 Frou-frou. Inspired by both Spanish and flamingo dress, ballet costumes of the day, French designer Pierre Balmain created this extravagant cocktail dress in 1957 for the modern young woman. The taffeta and tulle are edged with satin ribbon. Layered net. Created for Lavin by Spanish-born but Paris-based designer Antonio Castillo, this dress has its own built-in slip. Black net with white felt spots cover layers of silk taffeta, net, and gauze. 1958 Sheath Dress. This 1958 sheath dress with matching wrap in a pink and green floral motif was created by British manufacturer Rodney Dresses. It is an example of an alternative skirt shape acceptable for the cocktail hour. Over the decades, we've watched the cocktail-style dress morph as fashion does and become more and more exaggerated, pulled in, and added embellishments to it. I love this style because it allows for a formal look and design without having to maybe deal with a lot of the excess layers that come with ball gowns, but it definitely gives you a formal or semi-formal look. It's a fun design to participate in. It's a fun style to see my clients wear. You don't have to worry about tripping on the hem. And if you're just somebody that, just wants to show a little bit more leg or just wants to have this maybe more reminiscent 1950s look, the cocktail dress is definitely the way to go. I love all the iterations of it from its original origins to the way we see it now on the runways. Which cocktail dress is your favorite? Feminine flair or short and sweet? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, make like a lady.